Hey guys, what it do? I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if that sounds well, but whatever. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Abisodun. Welcome. Welcome. This place is for you. I'm sure you're going to have fun, and make sure you don't leave this space without subscribing to this channel, because that's like very important. You have to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this video, or you like me, or you like what you see in general. To my returning viewers and returning subscribers, welcome back. It's your girl here again. I hope you guys have been amazing. And to my returning viewers that you have just been watching up and down, you think it's good, right? No, it's not good. You can't do that. You're not allowed to do that. So I think you should please just hit that bell, just hit the subscribe button right down under this video right now. Do that. Like, it's not going to take too much of your time. You're not going to pay money for that. Please do it. So for this tutorial, guys, we're going to be doing a very nice, soft, glowy makeup look. I don't think I've ever tried to do a glowy, very nice skin finish kind of look, but we're going to try to do that here in this video with the little products that I have. Of course, it's very important that you apply your makeup on a very fresh skin. The best option for me is do your makeup after your bath. At that time, your face is still very moist and ready to receive product, to absorb your product. If maybe you've had your bath earlier in the day and you just want to do your makeup like maybe towards the evening and you don't want to take a bath, make sure you clean your face. Now, when I say clean your face, I'm not saying use wipes to clean your face. No, we're not doing that. I hope that most of us are, let me just even put it out there. Using just normal wipes is a no-no, because wipes will just take out the dirt of the surface area, just the surface dirt, whatever it is on the surface, and it won't clean the dirt inside your pores. And these are the things that actually build up to having having black spots. Well, I know I have black spots, don't come and insult me. Have black spots and all of that. Make sure you use micellar cleansing water. So the one I'm using is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. So this just literally removes your makeup from your face, it removes your dirt, it goes really well into your pores. So it's not only taking out dirt from the surface level, it's also going into your pores to do the job. If you don't want to wash your face, I'm going to be spraying my face with a hydrating spray. So the normal one I'll be using, Gonna Effect. I've used this on my channel before, so I'm going to be using this, and as you can see, it's even done. Not almost done, it is done. So I'm just going to spray this all over my face, just like what we do. Don't do too much, don't do too much. So on this, I'm going to be using my hyaluronic acid from Ordinary. Like I said, guys, hyaluronic acid, you know me and hyaluronic acid, we are friends, close friends, good friends, very good friends. So I'll be using this hyaluronic acid from Ordinary. I'm gonna just put, some people are very dramatic by putting it on their faces like this. So me too, I will do that. We all drama together. The day I will have blemishless skin, the day I will have that skin, ain't nobody gonna breathe. I'm still gonna go over with this my Maricode X Burger Moisture Maximizer, which also has hyaluronic acid, but this is like a moisturizer generally. Just a little goes a long way. So the next thing I'm going to do is this Holy Grail products right here, because this is what we're going to use to achieve our glowy skin. And this is the TM Essentials Always on the Glow Shimmering Oil, and this is in the shade Blink. Guys, can you see that? This is a Nigerian brand though. So these products are beginning, middle, and ending. I'm just going to put that here, just the high point of my cheek and like my forehead here, just basically there. And I'm just going to blend that in with my brush. I don't know if you can see that glow on top here, just like here. So before I head on to my foundation, I'm going to be color correcting. I'm going to be correcting my, my black spots like you see. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector, and I'm going to be mixing it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I don't want to directly use this orange corrector because I think it's too intense. So this Chestnut is meant to kind of, reduce the intensity of this orangeness, and just basically just give me a very nice coverage. So this is what it looks like when I mix it together. It looks peachy. It looks like this peach. Can you see? It has this peach kind of look. So I'll be using my MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and this is in the shade NC50. I see that I can actually get a very fresh, nice skin finish with this foundation that I've been hiding for a while, because I'm like, I don't know how I'm going to use this foundation, but it's still, I think it's still a bit lighter than my skin. Not bad. I mean, with my neck, but it's not bad compared to my chest actually. To getting that nice glowy look, your highlighting and contouring also is very important. You want to make sure that your makeup is close to your skin. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Like, this is like my skin shade. Like, this is just like a normal one. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. So I'm going to have this here. Can you guys see that? It's so close, like really close. Like, you can hardly tell that this is like a highlighting shade. So this is what we're trying to achieve. I don't know if you guys understand. And here you still basically do the normal highlights and contour routine, but just you just really make sure that it's to the minimal. I'm going to be putting this Born This Way concealer just right here. Can you see how bright that is? We don't want this all over our face for a dewy look. We don't. Just very light. And to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Nuban Beauty in My Skin Liquid Concealer in the shade 049. And as opposed to applying it directly to my face, I'm going to put it on my brush. That way it just softens out the whole thing. I'm just going to basically spread it all over my brush like so. Just like this, and I'm just going to place that right here. You're doing it really lightly. Just going to start by blending the outer corner of my face. Come here, and as I do that, I just use the bottom of my beauty blender to just diffuse the contour and the highlights together. I actually feel like there's a difference, and I really like what I'm seeing. I really like it. So just very quickly, I'm going to be applying blush. What I used to color correct my face at the very beginning, the back of my palm, I still have it here. So this is what I'm going to be using to blush my face. I don't have a blush, so you could use a lipstick that has the color that you want, the color that you like. You don't want to put green or blue. It's either pink, peach, whatever around that family. I think I can see. I don't know if you can see the blush just right around here. It has kind of diffused my contour because my contour was more pronounced than this before. So you can see the blush around here, very light, really light. Yeah, and here as well. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be mixing two setting powders. I'm going to be mixing the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. It's been mixing this with my Nuban Beauty oil control setting powder in the shade Sahara, this one that I regularly use here. So I'm just like patting off excess, and I'm just bringing it around here, setting my under eye. Can you see? You can almost not even see anything, guys. You can almost not see anything. Just gonna bring it here. Can you see how my face looks right now? It looks really minimal. It looks fresh. It looks like, I won't say it looks like my skin, because obviously my skin is not this flawless. But I'm just saying that the tone, the shade and everything looks very close to home, and that's what we're trying to achieve. You mean that I said everything to waste? You want to be in trouble, you camera. Guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I've already applied my my bronzer. I actually forgot that I didn't, because I just changed my batteries and I didn't know that I didn't press the record button. That's so this thing they pain me. Let me just give you a recap. So I just bronzed my face using the CoverGirl bronzer. I don't know if you remember in maybe my first video or something, I talked about how using bronzers will give you the soft natural look that you want. Pick the product just a little bit and just swirl around your cheeks, so that way you are bringing the blush into the bronzer, and you're also coming way up and also right around here. And I don't want to put too much because I already did that. You swirl, smile, swirl everywhere I contoured basically. So that's what I did. I'm doing my brows, but it's just there, right? I'm going to be using my bronzer, the bronzer I used on my face. I'm going to be using that on my eyes, just the contour of my eyes, which is like the outer corner, just to define it. I'm just going to place that around here. I'm not using any eyeshadow primer of any sort. I'm just going to go right into my crease. So this is from Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade. This one. I'm gonna put that in, just like to blend the whole thing and give it a little bit more color. I think I'm fine with that. For my eyes, or what do they call this place? My eyelids. I'm going to be using shimmers. My Beauty Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm just going to, slapping that on my eyelids. So right on top of that, just to make it brighter, I'm going to be using this shimmers from Maybelline Expert Wear Bronze Haze Palette. So I'm going to be using this shade on top. Now I'm going to go on to wings. That wing safe, I'm not good at it. So, but I really think I should do it because I've not done it in the longest time. Like, I always run away from it. I'm going to be using the Hush Beauty gel liner, which is a Nigerian brand. Okay, let's just do this. Let's do this, guys. It's not perfect because, as you can see, the inner line here is not as straight as it should be, but I just like how I drew it. Let's now go to the glow. TM Essentials liquid oil I used at the beginning, I'm going to use it now, just very lightly. Can you see that? I'm going to go back with my, my True Complexion palette. I'm going to pick some of that, like so, lo. You can see that the glow is following. Okay, so let me just turn. Can you see the glass look? Can you see it here and here? Can you see? I missed everything that is going on. I'm hungry. The hunger is real. You're just didn't find it. Or you didn't find it in mono. But I'm hungry.
I'm trying to wear my red lipstick. Let me eat this one. We have some. Deets.
So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Zaron Cosmetics lip stain in the shade Vavavoom 02. Guys, this is such a risk that I'm taking. I'm someone who is very scared of red lips because I feel I don't have really cute lips. I'm not shaming myself. Obviously, I love myself. I love my lips. But I don't think that the shaping is so nice enough for bold colors, especially red. I just need to mark out the line so that I can follow it easily and not, you know, stain my lips and not stain my makeup with the lipstick. Fear is catching me, guys. Fear. Don't be scared. So this is the final look. The hair, the makeup, every single thing is on point. Okay, actually, I don't think I really like the hair though, but you know, it feels like my head is going towards that side. I call it transformable makeup because it is soft. You can go on with being soft, and you can also want to, you know, transform this from, you know, being soft to something like this, wearing lipstick, wearing your lashes and everything, and you still look bomb. I'd like to know what you think about this look. What is it for you? Is it the lips? Is it the eyes? Is it the hair? Earring? Whatever it is, I'd like to know your thoughts about this look in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you really like this video. Hit the subscribe button as well if you're new here and you've not done that. Make sure you do that. Make sure you don't leave here without hitting that subscribe button. Also, kindly share this video if you think somebody out there can learn from me. Kindly follow me on my social media platforms on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook at Tife Abisodun. It's going to be on the screen. So that's it with this look, guys. I hope you had fun here, and this was actually meant to be a Valentine's Day look some way, somehow. I wasn't able to shoot that, so let's just take this as post-Valentine makeup look. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, shine on.